Don't worry, just keep your chin up.
Stay strong.
He stayed up all night to finish the project.
Burn the midnight oil.
I can't believe he told her the secret.
Let the cat out of the bag.
She smiled and jumped around when she saw her gift.
On cloud 9.
After hearing the good news, she was on cloud 9 all day.
Extremely happy.
He finally decided to hit the sack after a long day.
Go to sleep.
It cost me an arm and a leg to buy this phone.
It was very expensive.
He spilled the beans about the surprise party.
Revealed a secret.
She hit the roof when she saw the broken window.
Got very angry.
They decided to go Dutch on dinner.
Share the bill.
He burned the midnight oil to finish the project.
Stayed up working.
Don't cry over spilled milk.
Stop being sad over what can't be changed.
That new app is a cash cow.
Brings a lot of money.
I think it's time to throw in the towel.
Give up.
He finally decided to bite the bullet and face the challenge.
Face something difficult bravely.
That luxury car would definitely break the bank.
Be extremely expensive.
She let the cat out of the bag and spoiled the surprise.
Revealed the secret.
I was down in the dumps after losing the game.
Feeling sad.
He jumped for joy when he got the job offer.
Was very happy.
We decided to go Dutch at the restaurant.
Split the bill.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket when investing.
Try various paths.
After the failure, it's time to throw in the towel.
Give up.
That old movie is he dying a down scene.
Very common.
He got cold feet just before the wedding.
Became afraid and backed out.
Break a leg means
Good luck.
if someone hits the sack,
Go to sleep.
If someone wears their heart on their sleeve, that
Show their feelings easily.
when the team lost, the coach hit the roof.
Got very angry.
I know it's hard, but try to keep your chin up.
Stay strong and positive.
I was so sleepy. I had to early last night.
Hit the sack.
That new phone is nice, but it
Costs an arm and a leg.
I didn't mean to. About your surprise party.
Spill the beans.
He told me not to worry and just before the show.
Break a leg.
You really, with that solution, it's perfect.
Hit the nail on the head.
I heard he's feeling a bit today, so he stayed home.
Under the weather.
She stayed up all night to finish the reports. Had to.
Burn the midnight oil.
I can't believe it. During dinner it was supposed to be a secret.
Let the cat out of the bag.
I wish you hadn't. About the gift.
Spilled the beans.
That exam was I finished in 10 minutes.
Piece of cake.
When she lost her job, she had to and start over.
Bite the bullet.
We had to and tell them the bad news.
Bite the bullet.
I didn't mean to. It just slipped out.
Bite the bullet.
Don't tell Sarah, or she'll.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Preparing that meal was I do it every day.
Piece of cake.
When his dog died, he said it felt like he would.
Kick the bucket.
She always, before exams to get good grades.
Burns the midnight oil.
I can't afford that. Watch it.
Costs an arm and a leg.
You really, when you described the problem so clearly.
Hit the nail on the head.
He's a bit, today maybe he caught a cold.
Under the weather.